summer of love.
Hello people, welcome back to Technical Coder. I'm back again with another video. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Emmet plugin on your brackets editor. So let's begin. You all know that Emmet is a plugin that helps you a lot. It will change the way of typing programs on your bracket to a different level. I will show you the changes that it make on typing a program, HTML program, simple. So let's begin how to install that. First open your brackets and then click on this one, this plugin. Sometimes it may be here in the right side. So click on this one. You will see a pop-up window will appear, and here we have to install the Emmet plugin. This will take a time. It doesn't depend on your internet speed. It takes time every time on which PC it will be. I don't know why it takes so much time. So it load up. Then here you can see uninstalled. I don't have Emmet. So on the available, we'll go and search Emmet, and you can see here this is the Emmet. Is high speed HTML and CSS workflow. Let's install this. Click on this install button. This will take a couple of minutes, I think, but not too much. Okay, installation successful. So let's make it close and uninstalled. You can see where it is. Emmet has appeared. You can disable it or remove it. Now close this one, and here you can see Emmet icon box has appeared. Now in this, click on this Emmet and make sure this is enable Emmet, or it will not work. Okay, now I will show you some tip and tricks of Emmet. So like that, it makes it easier is that Control N and then save it as, okay, let's name it sample.html and save. Now press Shift+1, that is exclamatory sign, and press the tab key, and you can see the whole thing is done by Emmet. This you have to write if there is no Emmet. So Emmet makes your work easier. Now I will show you that. Let's make it sample site. Go down here. Let's create, just type H1, press the tab key, and it will do everything. This is what Emmet does. You can also type center tab key. Okay, another thing is that, let's say, type something here, hi, and here let's say we are typing forms, again that one. Action is nothing. Press enter here. We will take input. Again tab key. See how fast it makes. And here in text we will use Emmet here. See this. After type, press equal to, and it will give you all the options that are available afterwards. So I am gonna take here, let's say, what I will take, not a button, a password. Let's say a password. Where email, enter, input. See how fast will it be. Now here delete this one. For email we have email option. Now again enter. Now for password we have password option, and let's run this out. For running, click on this live preview button. It will automatically load up the Chrome. Only Chrome will work with this live, so you have to install Chrome. And also yesterday I have made a video on the slowing down of your Chrome and how to make it fast. I will give it on the top right corner. Yes, on the right corner above, so you can check that out if your Chrome is working slow. I have figured out the problem and also have give the solution of it, so make sure you see that video. It will take time. Just this is a live development preview. And here is the difference is that what you will type on Emmet in brackets, it will automatically load up without typing refresh or anything or control save. It will automatically load up. This is a key feature of any developer you need. See this. This is the normal site that we have just created with the email and a password. Okay. Just to look nice, I will give another one out of form is button. Button I will type sign in. Button, tab key, sign out. So you can see it has automatically load up. For this thing it is just aligned. Let's hold it up here. You can see the live preview here. So where to give a break, BR and tab key, it will give a break. Let's also give a break after this one. No, after this one, BR, tab key. Okay. Also give a break after this one, B tab key. After password 2 BR tab key. Now this looks nice. It's far better. Or I can give para here. Slash and it's done. Now it's looking nice. So see how it's easy to use the Emmet in your brackets. So that's for it today. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and that's it. That's for today, guys. Hit the bell icon to get notified, and also check out my Facebook page, Instagram page, Twitter page, @technicalcoder in Instagram and @codertechnical in Twitter, and the link will already be in the description below. So that's for it today, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.